Attention, attention! Big feast they come for Sky Kingdom next week.
Chief Eagle, who go be our spokesman if Sky people ask our name?
Anybody want volunteer? Me! I go be the spokesman. I sabi grammar, I sabi negotiate. I fit hold umbrella for una too.
Tortoise, since when you join bird meeting, you no even get wing.
Wing no be requirement for wisdom, my friend. Na mouth we need.
Welcome guys, this short clip that you just watched was created using free AI tools. Let me blow your mind, this niche is top notch. I just started a Facebook page and it's already scaling. So if you're looking for a niche to start to get followers or subscribers, I will recommend this one. So let's get into it if this is what you want to create using free AI tools. So I'll use this app, Claude. If you do not have Claude, you can use ChatGPT, or you can as well download Claude. I think Claude is more, it narrates story more. All right, so I'm going to create a story of a tortoise. Wait, I've been on a series of a tortoise story. All right, so let me use this prompt and create the episode 2 here together. So I created episode 1. I told Claude to act like a professional human script writer and storyteller, strategist for Animal Kingdom. Asked it to write an interesting, funny, brief story of a tortoise and his friends and birds. A proud tortoise that was appointed to be a spokesman in a party that claimed his name was All of You. Asked it to write it in dialogue format with just 5 scenes. I asked it to put a voiceover for a narrator and write it using Pidgin English. Make it a series, okay? So it went ahead to give me a document of the story. I said, good, generate pictures and videos prompts. And it went ahead to generate pictures and video prompts in a documents format. And I asked it to draft. It asked me if I would love it to draft part 2. I said yes. So he went ahead to draft part 2, that's episode 2. So in the episode 1, I've already, I'm done with the video, which is what you saw at the beginning of this tutorial. All right. So we're going to do episode 2 together. All right. Just going to show you the steps I use in making the episode 1 so that you can understand what I mean. I stop at scene 2. All right. So it gave me this story, but there are some things I added by myself, like the part where he sat down to think of what to do. Some few places I added by myself. All right. So you know, AI cannot always give you everything the way you imagine it. So that is why we are humans. AI just assists us, and then you use your human knowledge to do the rest. So let's go to the next episode. I don't change my name. Okay, all of that. I've already done that. This is the feast begins. Now, before the feast begins, there should have been a part where the birds flew to the kingdom carrying tortoise on their back. Okay, so this part was not included, so I'm going to include that part by myself. But let us copy this prompt and work on this one the way this one is. All right, so assuming the birds have arrived, the 3rd episode starts with the Sky Queen welcoming all the birds and asking who is the spokesman, and the tortoise now show himself that he is. Okay, so I'm going to copy the whole of this century and take it to my notes so that I can easily, because this one is a document, I can easily work with it. Okay, I'll paste. Okay, I'll go back again. I'll go and copy the picture prompt and the video prompt. Now I'll just show you how to generate, or how to go about it to generate a picture prompt from the one I did already. But let me go to the picture prompt now. And these are the picture. I've already generated the picture prompt, but I'm going to just show you one. All right, so let's go to scene 2 or scene 3. So this is the picture prompt. I'm going to copy this. Okay, and then I'll take it to Meta AI. If you do not have Meta AI, this is what it looks like. Where is mine? Okay, look, that's it. This is Meta AI. Go to your Play Store and download it. Okay, open Meta AI and click on create image and enter your prompt. I'm going to start with generate. Alright, generate a grand sky kingdom face on a floating. Now you send and wait for it to generate. Alright, so this has generated. You see, yeah, see the tortoise standing beside the queen. Alright, so we are going to save this one. I'll go back and copy the video prompt and take it to video generating app. I said in my next video that I'll show you how to use how to use Grok for free. Alright, so this is the free Grok. The link, the site is care.ai/Grok. See what the name is here. Look at it. I hope you have seen the way it is. Look at it. Care.ai/Grok imagine. So once you type that, this logo will come out and it will show free Grok imagine. Okay, so once you open this it's not an app, this web, you're going to this is the interface. You're going to see get started. I'll draw an arrow there. You're going to see this get started. You're going to click on it and sign in with your Google account. Okay, now is this thing free? Is the web free? Yes, it is free. I think up to like 50 credit is given for you to use and create pictures and videos or whatever you want to create, and then you'll be asked to upgrade. Okay, so I wouldn't say it is free, but it is free. All right, so those that like to come to my comment section to say it's not free now, I am making it very clear. It is limited, but it is free as a new user for you to use and do whatever you're doing. All right, okay, so that's how to sign in. Once you sign in, you're going to see this interface, and then you go to image to video, which is the one I have highlighted. I'm going to remove this picture and I'm going to click on select file, and I'm going to select the picture that we generated with Meta AI. And while that is loading, I'll go to index and adjust this to 1. This index is the number of images you want to, number of videos you want to generate. Okay, so know that as you increase the number, whether you want to increase 2 or you want to generate 2 videos, your credit will be consumed as well. All right, so this is where to write prompt. I'm going to delete this and I'm going to enter my prompt. Okay, I'm going to enter my prompt, and this is where to mood. Is it fun, normal, spicy? I'll keep it at normal. And this is the aspect ratio. I'll keep it at 16:9 for the purpose of this tutorial. All right. And duration, they have given me 6 seconds. But let me see if that can be adjusted to at least 10. All right. So the resolution, they are giving me 480. If I increase to 720, my credits will be higher. Okay. My credit is now 30. I'm going to consume 36 credit. Okay. But if I keep it at 480, I'm going to consume 19.2. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to use 480. Okay, I'll just use 480. All right, so I'm going to let me check everything. Sorry about my phone. All right, so I'll click on run. I hope you see that. Click here, and off we go. It's generating, guys. It's generating. We are using Grok for free. So this will take some time. All right, so let's check what it has given us.
Behold the grand feast. Whoa, for me? So good.
Guys, that is funny. I didn't expect that. But I think I'll need to extend the duration to 10 seconds. Yeah. All right, let's try out another prompt. All right. Let's try out another prompt. So another episode of another scene, whatever. Okay, let's go back to Claude. I'm not going to go through the process of generating picture again. Just copy all the picture prompts and generate it at once. All right, now we are doing video prompts. Okay, so if you did not understand the other one, this is it. When you come to Meta AI, click on this place and paste your prompt. I'll keep it in 16:9. Okay. While that is generating, I'll go to a dialogue part of this. Remember, this had a dialogue scene, the scene in which they were talking, they were communicating. Okay, so this is the dialogue scene, the scene 3. Okay, I think this is after creating the other one. It's now time to create a dialogue. The other one you can just fix it somewhere when you're doing video editing. All right, so I'm going to copy from here. Sky Kingdom table full with fruit. So after generating the other part, you go ahead and generate the dialogue part. I hope you understand. Now you know that Grok is only 6 seconds. Okay, I'll try to extend it to 8 seconds, so it doesn't need to be long. So I'm just going to generate it in short. Okay, I'll copy. And then I'll go to this prompt that I told you. When you want to generate a dialogue scene, always use the word dialogue face animals talking in Nigerian accents. All right, so I'm going to delete these ones, and then you now paste the dialogue scene. And do not forget to give this style. This style is in the document, the first scene. Okay, if you check the first scene of this story, you're going to see this style. So I'll delete this first prompt and paste this one. I've deleted this. I'm not sure I saved this video. Let me go and save it. To save it, you just click on this download button here, or you click on these 3 dots. You're going to see options on how to save it. You click on download and then it will download. So I'll come here and set the index. I'll set my aspect ratio, then I'll set the seconds. Okay, and I'll leave it at 480p. All right, I'll leave it at 480p, and I'll run it. So this will take some time a few seconds to, if you have a strong network, to take a few seconds to generate. So I'll just give it time to generate, and then I'll show you what to do next. So keep on watching and learning. If this is your first time here, do not forget to subscribe, turn on notifications so that you get to know when I make a new update. In this channel, we do craft, art, graphics, and text. Yeah, someone will say focus on one niche. Not here. Here, I have more than one audience that learns everything at once. And it is working for me. I don't know about others, but that's okay for me. So our video is still generating. All right, so the video has finished generating. Let's play and see.
Welcome. Behold the grand feast.
Whoa!
Welcome. Before we eat, who be your spokesman?
Na me. Them they call me.
For me? So good.
Whoa, look him down.
Friends, if you want to see the full video and you want to follow up on the episode, go to my Facebook and search for Nature Speaks. This is the logo, and or my TikTok and search for Nature Speaks. You're going to see different beautiful animal stories Please do well to follow me when you get there and share it with your family and friends. For now, I'm going to call it a wrap. Thank you for stopping by today. To have a good life. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notification. Comment, like, share with your family and friends. And if you have not joined my membership, please do well to do that. It's your way of encouraging me to do more. Thank you and do have a great life.